welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Kenywa and today, as you can see, I'm very excited. I already know that you know what this means. The excitement means that we are doing yet another house hunting episode, and today I am at Imara Daima. The apartments in which I am at are 2-bedroom houses, and you guys, these apartments are quite something. Let us start with the parking. These apartments have a lot of parking. They have ample parking because we have underground parking. Yes, you heard that right. We have underground parking and we have ground floor parking. So that is quite something. A lot of parking. And again, these apartments are spacious. I'm not kidding you guys. I'm not kidding. These apartments are very spacious, as you will see, of course, and these apartments have a lift. Sorry about the aeroplane noise. These apartments have a lift, so that is another plus. And these apartments are paid, electricity in these apartments is paid via tokens, and we have water 24/7. And these apartments are located in a very secure neighborhood, and they are just next to the road. I can literally see the road from where I am standing, you guys. That is the road right there. Okay, I will show you that. So let me not talk too much about the apartments. Let me show you the apartments. The staircase is right there. We have 4 apartments in every floor, so that means that the apartments are very spacious. We only have 4 houses in every floor, and this is the house that we are going to view, and we have the lifts right there. This is the entrance of the apartment, and after the entrance is the laundry area. This is the laundry area. And we have the hanging lines in here. This is somewhere you can place your washing machine or do your hard laundry. Yes, that is it. And as you can see, it's quite something. It's big even for your basins. You don't have to put basins in the balcony. And this is the entry to the house. This is the entryway. And on your left is the kitchen. Quite something, you guys. The kitchen is quite something. That is the kitchen. We have storage space over there. We have storage space over there. We have more storage space over there. More storage space over there, and more storage space over there. And as you can see, the countertops are quite spacious. This is enough space for you to make your meals. And they are quite beautiful. The countertops are quite beautiful. Wow, the kitchen is quite something, as you can see. Yeah, that is the kitchen. On your right is the washroom. This is the common washroom. Wow, and the shower right there. Quite spacious again. This room has a lot of space. This landlord wasn't joking with the space. And as you can see, the tiling is quite something. This is something that is quite easy to clean. Yes. So that is the common bathroom and the shower. And then we have the bedroom right here. The first bedroom. Quite spacious. I know you will agree with me on that bit. Quite spacious. Wow, look at that. That is the closet space for you. We have the drawers right there. We have somewhere where you can hang your clothes, and then we have somewhere where you can put your folded clothes. This is already organized for you. How awesome. How awesome. And then we have another place where you can put your hanged clothes. We have the bedroom window right over there, and you guys, I'm not even shooting using lighting, so you can already tell that the room has a lot of lighting. The room is well lit. And then we have the common sink right over there. We have the toothbrush holder, and then we have the mirror, we have that, and the sink is quite big, you guys, as you can see. I'm not even kidding, it's big. And then this is the entryway to the master bedroom. Yeah, this is the master bedroom. So here is the toilet. Here is the toilet, the shower right over there, the mirror there, the sink, a toothbrush holder, and again, as you can see, the tiles are very easy to clean. Very easy to clean. Then we have the bathroom window over there. The bathroom is quite big. Just look at it from here. I don't even know whether the camera is doing justice to it. And then here is our master bedroom. Again, it's quite something. It's quite big. We have the closet space right there. And the closet space is quite something. Just look at it. It is almost occupying the whole wall. Look at it. Look at it. Wow. Wow. It's so big. So big. I'm not even kidding. So big. So big. And the closet is ceiling to floor. Ceiling to floor. So that is how big it is. And then we have the window right over here. Bedroom with a view. Yeah, bedroom with a view. That is the view from the bedroom. And that is the bedroom window. And then let's go see the sitting room. This is the sitting room right there. It's quite spacious as you can see. Quite spacious. And we have the dining window right over there. This camera isn't even doing justice to the sitting room. The sitting room runs all the way from there to here. So you can see it's enough for your dining place and your living room area. And then that is the balcony door, glassed. So beautiful, right? It's so beautiful. And this is the balcony right here. That is the balcony right there. It's quite big and it has a beautiful view. It has a very, very beautiful view. Wow. And it's beautiful, especially when the sunlight shines on it. So beautiful. So beautiful. So that is our sitting room. Wow, this room is quite something. And this house is going for 36,000. As big as it is, as big and as beautiful as it is, it's going for 36,000 shillings. I'm going to put the contact information on the description box below, and you can use Miss Kenywa to get a free viewing. Yes, that is the house. Let me know what you think about the house in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know what is your favorite part in the house. Is it the lift? Is it the ample parking? Is it that the house is located in a very secure neighborhood? Is it the fact that the house is very spacious, especially the sitting room? Just look at it, very spacious. And the kitchen is spacious too. That is the view of the kitchen from the sitting room. So let me know what is your favorite part about this house. And thank you for watching. Let me see you on